In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase your website SEO on Squarespace 7.0. We'll walk through the built-in SEO and AIO tools in Squarespace 7.0 so you can improve how your pages appear in search results and AI-assisted discovery. Start on your Squarespace account dashboard. From there, open your main dashboard so you can access your sites. Select your site by choosing Go to Website. This takes you directly into the site editor where you'll make all of your SEO updates. Inside the editor, open the website section in the left-hand navigation, then select SEO/AIO. This is your central hub for search optimization on Squarespace 7.0. You'll see an overview explaining that every Squarespace site includes industry-leading SEO features, along with AI optimization tools that help your content surface in both traditional and AI-driven search. It's a great place to manage page titles, descriptions, and the way your content appears in search previews. When you're ready to begin improving a page, click Optimize. If you're prompted to confirm, choose OK. That starts a guided flow for tuning your metadata. Next, select Review Metadata. You'll see a live preview labeled something like how your page will show up in search results. This preview is extremely helpful because it mirrors how your title and description are likely to appear on search engines, including the character limits and truncation behavior. Use the Regenerate option to have Squarespace suggest improved title and description text. Click Regenerate again to see alternative versions. Treat these suggestions as a starting point. The AI can provide helpful phrasing and keyword placement, but you'll get the best results by tailoring the text to your brand voice and user intent. When you're ready to refine, click Edit. Open the title section, then click into the title field. Aim for a concise, descriptive title that puts your primary keyword near the beginning and clearly communicates what the page offers. Think about the question your visitor is trying to answer and reflect that in the wording. If it fits naturally, you can add your brand name at the end. Titles that are clear and specific tend to earn better click-throughs than vague or overly clever ones. Try to keep the length tight so it's less likely to be truncated in search results. Next, open the description section and click into the description field. Write one or two short sentences that expand on the title with a clear value proposition. Include a secondary keyword if it reads naturally, and briefly explain what someone can expect on the page. You can hint at an action, like explore, learn, or book, without sounding salesy. Keep an eye on length so the preview doesn't cut off essential information. Read it out loud to make sure it sounds human and inviting. When your edits look good in the preview, click Save to apply them, then confirm save again if you're prompted by the page level controls. It's normal for updates to take a little time to propagate across previews and caching layers, so don't worry if the visual changes don't appear instantly everywhere. To understand the impact of your changes, open the SEO score view. This shows how well your page meets Squarespace's optimization checks. As you refine titles and descriptions, you should see your score improve. Hitting 100% on a specific page means you've satisfied the built-in guidelines, which is a great sign. Use this score as a directional tool, and remember that real-world results also depend on content quality, relevance, and links over time. That's it. You navigated to your site, opened the SEO, AIO panel, optimized a page, reviewed and regenerated suggestions, edited the title and description, saved your changes, and checked your SEO score. Repeat this process for your most important pages to build consistent, search-friendly metadata across your site. Thanks for watching, and happy optimizing!